Today we're going to be talking about the brand new Blackbox M1-DMR. So we have the two-way radio right here. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. This radio is PC programmable, it's affordable and tough. It uses the popular Motorola 2-pin connector. It's IP55 lab certified waterproof rated. We have 32 channels, 1600 milliamp battery, a 2-slot simplex, and to go paperless, we have the scan the user guide right here for you. So now let's see what's inside. So now let's take a look at what's included with the M1-DMR. It comes with a rapid rate desktop charger. We also have a full-size battery, a rugged alligator clip with a flexible antenna. On the top here we have our channel and volume knobs. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on.
What?
Hear that? That's voice enunciation. That's so if you have a headset on while you're trying to change your channels, you can hear it through your headset.
2, 3, 4, 5.
When our engineers designed this new radio, they wanted to make it full of power, but just a little bit smaller than our current radios. For comparison, we have our Go digital radio right here. As you can see, just a little bit smaller in size, but it's about the same size as our Blackbox analog two-way radios. So check this out. We've got our Radio Grip silicone cases that are custom built for the M1-DMR. They're great for grip, they're great for visibility and durability, extending the lifetime of your two-way radio. They're also easy to drop into your rapid rate desktop charger without having to remove the case. These come in orange and black.